Hi, I'm Nathan Swazo, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a dishwasher. First thing you got to do is turn off the power. So let's go turn off the breaker to the dishwasher and then we can get started. So these are the tools you'll need to remove the dishwasher. You'll need a drill with a Phillips bit, a wrench for this water supply line. I like to have a tester to make sure the power's off so you don't get electrocuted, screwdriver, and maybe some needle nose pliers. Okay, let's start. So now that we have the power off, we'll open up the door here and we have these mounting brackets here that are holding the dishwasher in place, and we just take them off and put these screws in a drawer so you can find them again. Okay. Now we got to remove the toe kick. Okay, so now we'd want to remove the toe kick. Somebody already took the toe kick out of here. So usually it's just a couple of little plastic screws. You just remove those and then that toe kick slides out. But we don't have to deal with it with this dishwasher. Instead, we have a different problem. The floor is too high. So this dishwasher is not going to come out. So we're going to have to do a small modification. There's two things you could do. One is you could remove these tiles to pull the dishwasher out. Or in my case, we have this very old laminate countertop, and I'm just going to gently pry up the countertop to slide out the dishwasher. So remember, we got this problem that the tile floor is too high, and if I lift up, I still don't have enough room to pull it out. So what I'm going to do is something that's really unconventional. I'm going to lift this countertop ever so gently. And you don't want to do this with granite or tile or marble tops. If that's the case, then you're going to have to remove the tiles on the floor to pull it out, or cut the dishwasher in half, which I don't recommend. So what I'm going to do, and don't do what I do, is lift this up just like this and see how much room we have there. Could probably just lift it up. Let's try it. It's almost there. Okay. Let me try another way if I can get it. Should do it. Okay, there it is. So we got it up. Perfect. Then you can gently drop it. You can drop it down again. Try not to cause more damage, of course. Woo! Okay, so now we're gonna remove this screw here for the electrical connection. Take your tester. Want to make sure that nothing is hot, especially that black wire there. Sometimes you get a false reading. So it's off. So we're going to just disconnect these screws here. Pretty simple. Let's double check. Nope. Nothing. Let's see this one. And that one. And then you can put some wire nuts on these in case somebody turns it back on, they don't get electrocuted. Let me get those wire nuts now. So these wire nuts go on clockwise. Okay, everyone will be safe now. Just push it through. Then we can do the water supply line. These wire nuts are great for keeping everybody safe and not getting electrocuted. So now let's focus on the supply line. You can disconnect it here or underneath the sink. So we're gonna disconnect it underneath the sink with the disposal line. Okay, so now we're gonna disconnect the disposal line. It's just this little clamp up here. So we're just gonna loosen it. It's a little awkward, but just gotta use a little finesse. Wonder if I can do it by my hand. Yeah. Okay, and then it's still not loose enough. Sometimes you get lucky and you could disconnect it by loosening it with your hand. There it is. So one down, one more to go. Now we got to do the supply line. Okay, so now we're going to disconnect the supply line. We have the cold water and the hot water angle stop. I'm going to turn off the hot water. We get water all over the place. Now we can disconnect the supply line to the dishwasher. And we can slide the dishwasher out just by pushing these hoses through the hole here. Okay. Okay, so now we can pull the dishwasher out just real gently. Then you just want to pull these hoses, supply line and the disposal line through the hole in the back and you're done. Okay, so that's how you remove a dishwasher. Every dishwasher is a little bit different. I have another tip for you. Whenever you're pulling out a dishwasher, you may want to put down some kind of protective board or a blanket so you don't scratch the floor. So you got to be real careful. Sometimes these metal legs will scratch the tile or the laminate and then you'll be really sorry. So just take extra precaution to protect things as you're moving them out.